Gold Street is an edtech platform where it works as a one-stop solution for all the career needs of a student.
It's a platform which helps every graduate formulate his blueprint for his career and subsequently help him connect with all the people, providers who actually can help him reach that goal.
We at WITMED have created an application in Android which we give to the pharmacist on smartphone. So a customer visiting the pharmacy can avail an instant free doctor consultation from the pharmacist.
Oscar Daisy is a direct-to-consumer fresh pet nutrition brand where we offer fresh, natural and human-grade food for pets direct to their house.
We are building ServiceWire, a unified cloud management platform.
Skatecross is a product which is meant for recreation and motorsports. It is an integrated vehicle which has the flexibility of a skateboard and speed performance of a motorcycle.
After coming over here, the experiment what I did was, I made it a once in a quarter that they should do the subscription. This helped me retain more pharmacists.
We were able to know quickly strip down to what are the necessary metrics that we have to track to quickly narrow down on the product market fit.
It's a 3 months acceleration program where we focus on getting startups who are looking for hypergrowth, and we help them by providing deep mentoring, customer connects, investor connects, and any other support that they require to take them to the next level.
What we thought it would take months for us to arrive at a particular conclusion, we helped us arrive it in one sitting. I would put it as one session.
So what is important, what is less important, and where you have to focus, where you have to improve your focus and stuff like that, that really helped us in a big way.
And ads helped us to pivot ourselves so that our business model is totally workable. It is more executable. Ads has helped me to figure out how the pricing should be, how the execution should be.
Wadhwani Foundation Accelerator program, we basically help the entrepreneurs scale up from their current as-is basis by providing capacity connect, cash connect and the customer connect. This is a unique platform. It is a great opportunity for the entrepreneurs to come and leverage this system which is currently available free. Join us.